Hi, I'm Kamini Patel on India Food Network. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications for our new videos. We're doing summer special salads to help you beat the heat. Today's recipe is going to be an Asian ginger tofu salad. Don't forget to take a screenshot of the ingredients to help you recreate this recipe in your kitchens. So we start with 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and an equal portion of rice wine vinegar. I always recommend to start with the salad dressing first because it needs some time to marinate and infuse with each other's flavors. And then we add 4 tablespoons, so the double amount of soya sauce, of toasted sesame oil, sliced garlic, and to this we add our aromatics, which is sliced ginger. We're also going to add chopped spring onions, and for a bit of sweetness we're going to add some honey. You could also use brown sugar, and just to balance it all off, pinch of salt, and I also add toasted sesame seeds. Now, if you're not going to use it straight away, I would recommend putting it last because it tends to get a little soggy in the liquid. I'm going to add it straight away right now, half the amount. And now this is what I'm going to use to marinate my tofu, cook it, and use the remaining as a salad dressing for the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add my tofu. You can do 100 grams, 50 grams, whatever it is that you like. If you're looking for a heavier dose of protein, go ahead and put 200 grams. Just going to let that soak in. To grill the tofu, you don't need any oil because there's enough oil and liquid within the marinade. You just put it on a sizzling hot pan. So I'm going to start by switching on the heat. So my pan is hot enough. So I'm going to fish out. So we want to grill about a minute and a half on each side. So the tofu has grilled nicely, and I'm going to start assembling my salad. So I'm going to start with shredded lettuce. I'm going to add cucumber slices, carrot slices, some tomato slices, a few onions just for a little added crunch, spring onions for an added burst of green, some sesame seeds toasted. It adds a good crunch. And now I'm going to add the salad dressing that we made earlier. And finally, the grilled tofu. If you're not a fan of tofu, you can easily replace this with paneer. And a final garnish of most green spring onions. So there you have it, the Asian ginger tofu salad. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.